Hey everybody, I hope you're doing okay. I just finished up a class and I had some leftover paints. I've got lots of leftover paints, but these are the ones I wanted to play with. I've got kind of it's a self-mixed color. It started with a turquoise. I want to say the color was, well, it's pretty close to it. It's Fine Touch from Hobby Lobby Viridian with a little bit of green and a little bit of blue added to it. So it's just a hair deeper than what comes in the bottle already. This is their blue, and I added some phthalocyanine green to it and maybe a little bit of a lighter blue. So it's still blue, but it has a little bit of a green cast to it. A touch of black left. This is Emperor's Gold by DecoArt, Rich Espresso by DecoArt, and this is Copper by DecoArt. These all have silicone except for black and white, and I have a little bit of white in a cup. This is an 11 by 14 oval canvas, and I am going to, I guess I'm going to try to layer my colors in. Instead of doing a straight out dirty pour, I'm going to try to layer it. And we'll see what happens with that. I've got white in a bottle too. I'm going to inject into it after I pour. But I wanted to do a pour with an injection, but like this time I'm not going to do like a tree ring necessarily over a stick. I'm just going to kind of do it randomly here. So we'll see what happens. And I poured white in there, and it's like maybe I don't want that much white. I'm going to put a little bit back. So I've got maybe a 1/4 of an inch of white or so in my 12-ounce cup. And I need probably about 7 ounces or so to cover this whole canvas. So I think I'm going to start out with some metallic gold. Oh, I was going to layer this too, I forgot. So if you want to layer it, then you kind of tilt your cup, pour in from the side, and it will lay on top more so. I'm going to put just a hint of black, and then I'm going to put up this nice pop of this greenish blue color, and I see some lumps in my paint. And then I'm going to put this nice vivid blue with the touch of green in, gold, the Rich Espresso. These are metallics and they're heavy and they're kind of staying on top, which is surprising. Okay, so I'm gonna, I guess I'll start in the middle and just kind of do a loose tree ring, and then I'm gonna come back to the center. And then I'm going to pour this lighter white color on the outskirts because I don't want really the white to be the focal point in the middle. This does have OGX in it. So there's going to be plenty of cells, and we might as well go ahead and pop them. Or pop any air bubbles. Not really pop cells. The cells pop up on their own with OGX. You don't have to heat your painting with OGX. The cells will come up on their own, and the longer you let your canvas sit, the bigger the cells will grow. So it's to your advantage to be patient. But I'm going to do this injection thing. I really want to see how this would work with OGX in it. And I might should have tilted before I injected the white. I'm not sure. We shall see. We'll see how it comes out. And I'm going to let all this flow onto my butcher paper. Okay, so I don't care for the tree ring style with the silicone. And I kind of wanted to see what would happen with this white, but I think I'm going to just randomly go in. This is going to be way too much paint for this canvas. I'm just going to move it around. Okay, so after you move your canvas so much, it just really kind of takes your whole cell pattern away. So I'm not impressed with my cells at all because I've swished them and moved them around too much. I'm trying to think what I can do to salvage this because I do not like it. Clean my hands off that are covered with paint. Gotta get you centered back. I may have had that off the camera the whole time. I'm not sure while I was tilting. Don't like that. Okay, I'm going to stretch it, really stretch it. Trying to see if there's any area that I want to really take advantage of. I'm going to take my cup, put some rich espresso, metallic gold, and copper. And black. Swish through a few times. Since I totally don't like it, I'm just going to keep doing something until I like it. That's just the way I roll. So I really like this here. I'm going to take what's left in the black cup. I'm going to put some more of the bronze, copper, gold, add a shot of black in, swish it a few times, heat it. So I'm kind of almost doing away with the blue and greenish tones, but maybe some will still show through, and I'm going to tilt. I like this end here, so I want it to really I want that to stay right there. So now I'm going to use the blue and green and some white. I'm going to stretch a little bit. I want to keep this because I love that part. Incorporate black just in a few spots. Okay. So the injection thing did not really work to my advantage in this case. And I thought I wanted it more bluish and greenish with some metallics, but I really wanted it, I love the metallics so much, I really wanted it to go more that direction. So that's what I've done, is just manipulate it more to the metallics advantage. And actually swipe through that area right there that is so large to take away some of that area. I think I'll leave the rest. So that was fun, just experimenting. You never know how something is going to turn out or if you're going to like it until you actually do it. So I always say just go for experimenting and play with it until you get what you want. I've got a ton of paint on the butcher paper, but it will dry and I can use it for acrylic skins for jewelry, so it'll be great. I've got the reflection there. I guess I can bring the painting up to you. That's my favorite part right there. So kind of a little different. And it's an oval canvas, so curious to see how it will dry, if more cells will pop through, but I love this thing going on here with the cells popping through. Hopefully there'll be more of that. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, click on the like button, thumbs up, and like it. And you're welcome to comment. You can also check out all the links below my video where it says show more on your laptop or the down arrow on your mobile device, and that will show you the colors I use, the products, all my links to my Facebook group, my Amazon recommendations link, my Patreon, PayPal, about joining if you want to become a channel member and get access to one exclusive video a month where it's just members only, where we get to chat and ask questions, get to know each other. So check that out if you'd like, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to making more videos for you. This is truly my passion. I have the best time painting, and I look forward to making the next one. So I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.